For logging on to WBIR.com. We want you to stay with us here online, join us on social media, and of course on 10 News as we track in a potential winter storm once again as we get into the weekend. We've got 3 waves on the way. The first one tomorrow, pretty lackluster. But the one that we're going to be watching closely is Saturday into our Sunday. So let's pick up the timeline. Friday night, storm system across the plains, low developing across the deep south, snow developing and rain across the region. Now again, this is just one model depiction, folks. It all depends on where the center of low pressure goes and how strong the storm actually becomes over time. But it does look like a rain-snow mixture Saturday night through the day on into our Sunday. Model number 1 versus model number 2, a difference, right? Let's go back to 1. Here's model number 2. So you can see how the models aren't even agreeing on the forecast. So when you look at forecasting winter weather, the models project a storm system 7 to 10 days out. Maybe it might be possible, but do they agree or disagree as we get into the 4, 5, 6, 7 days out? It's possible. So we just need to see that agreement happening. Once they start agreeing, we start looking at timing and impacts. We start planning 2 to 4 days out, and then 1 to 2 days out, we're fine-tuning the forecast. We're giving you snowfall totals. But where do we stand right now? Yeah, we're 4 to 7 days out. So it's possible, but there's still a lot of unknowns, so you need to check back in. The National Weather Service talking about that as well, saying predictability is still on the lower end than what we would like to see at this point of the game, but you need to check back in on that weekend forecast. We'll see another few flurries on Monday, and then sunshine returns on Tuesday. Have a great day.